Well, welcome to you all who are interested in old style manual artillery stuff. I was asked if I could make a video on how to use the laser guided ammunition for this beauty, the Kitolov 2M. Well, let's get into it. In order to do that, you basically, in the mission editor, you need to put down some of these Kitolov 2M boxes, MO boxes. You see, if I open it up, that's how the laser guided uh, Kitolov 2M shell looks like. That's the shell itself, and it's the casing. And let me show you how to use that. Obviously, what we need is a target. Here we have our forward observer, and you also need to equip your forward observer with a laser designator. You see, that is a laser designator. That's not a regular binocular. And I just simply point at something, and with the left mouse button you paint it with laser. You see, you see the range. Anyway, you don't need it yet. Let's go back to the gun. What we need, always is measuring. What we need is obviously an orientation point. Let's use the usual one. Our orientation point is, you remember that house up on the hills, which was that? It's over here. Yeah, so our orientation azimuth would be 5,610, 5,055.10. What is our target azimuth? Our target azimuth was that 600, 680. 680. So what you need to do is to calculate the difference between the two azimuth, and you know that the barrel is 3000 and the difference would be 1070, and it is counterclockwise, and you see the sight is numbered counterclockwise. You have to add it to 3000, and that gives us 4070. So our sight azimuth is 4070. Let's get into it. You remember the orientation point. It's in the front of us. That's the house what we always oriented ourselves to. So anyway, that was 4070 is our sight azimuth. Get into the gun as a gunner. Get into the sight. Bring up the periscope, and we rotate only the periscope. Remember that we're rotating now only the periscope. You see up there, it is the periscope rotates to what? To 4070. 4070. Let's rotate it to 40, 23, 4070. Wonderful. And now what we do is that we rotate the entire gun. You see, we rotate the entire gun until we start to see our orientation point. That was the right edge of that house. We just there it is. You see the house, and I oriented the right edge. Wonderful. Well, our gun is oriented, the barrel is oriented. Now we need the distance. Distance. Distance is 67, well 60, 68, 67, 68. Good. Now we need to calculate the elevation. Let's bring up the range table. Well, with the laser guided weapons, you don't shoot low angle. You will shoot high angle, and you are probably want to get the smallest possible charge for that. You remember that the Russian charges are numbered. Unlike the other ones, unlike NATO, they number differently. You have the full charge, the reduced, and the charge one is the next. So the lowest charge would be charge 4. So for some reason the range table calculates with that with the high explosive, but anyway it's not a big difference because it flies. The Kitolov 2M flies a little bit less, but don't worry about that. So charge 4 would be the smallest, but you see the charge 4, that's after the green light, that's the high angle shooting. You see, after the green light, lower than the green light, then the high. But we want to shoot at 6,768, but at charge 4 it goes only to 2,500. So we go to charge 3. You see, charge 3 goes only at high angle to 5,100. So we need probably charge 2. Yes, that should be fine. Yeah, charge 2 goes to charge 2 at high angle. It goes to 6,650. But we want to go to what? 6,768. So 6,750 would be our base elevation. You see, 6,750 would be our base elevation, and the base elevation 984 mils. So that high angle, charge 2, 984, that's our base elevation. Well, with laser you don't have to be that precise, but anyway, let's just calculate for the sake of education. It is 684, but we want to shoot 18 meters further. You see, we want to shoot 80 meters further, but if we are high angle, if we want to shoot further, you see, we need to depress the gun instead of elevate the gun, because we shoot at high angle. So you see, at 6,700 it is 6 mils more. If you want to shoot for 50 meters more, you want to get 50 meters more range, you need to elevate the gun 6 mils more. So we only want to go 18 meters further. So what we do, we just calculate. You see, I love slide rulers. You bring your marker to the upper, it is 50 meters. Anyway, for the decimals you have to correct for yourself. That is 50 meters, and you see that 50 meters, 6 mils. You just align 50 with 6 is 50 meters range difference. Give 6 mils of elevation depression gives you 50 meters of range difference. So 1 mil gives you 8.35 meters, but I need 18. What I need, it is a logarithmic scale, so it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 16, 17, 18. It's over here. So you bring your marker here, and you have the reading. So it would be 2.16 mils. So you need 2.16 mils, but beware, because you don't need to elevate 2.16 mils, but you need to depress 2.16 mils from your base elevation, which was what? Which was 6,750. It's 984 minus 2, 982. So let's give it a 982 elevation. Now what I'm doing is moving on the side. 982. It's 405. It's going to be high. 982, 700, 800. 982. And now let's elevate the barrel until the horizontal bubble and get into the middle. Good. It's over elevated. We align it while it is in the middle. Good. So both our orientation and elevation is set. Now we need to load the gun. What do we do? Well, you take out the shell, bring it somewhere close to the gun. Anyway, you will have to take it out. You need to open the shell. It's open, and when it is open, you can go to its end and take the shell. And now it is with you. You open the breech. Load the Kitolov. Anyway, so now you need the casing. What was that? Charge 2. So you need to set the charge setting. It's charge 2. Set the charge. Load the charge. No, I was going to load the charge. Load the casing. Good. One more I just forgot, because I need to check on the flight time. It is important. I will tell you why. So it's charge 2 and it was high angle, go down, and 6,007. It's 47.9 seconds. So why do you need that? Because you need to paint your target only for the last 12 to 15 seconds. So after you charge, you need to count how much it's about 30, and you start then painting your target. Let's go to the forward observer. Just lay it down. Now take the laser designator. Yeah, let's get this one. Good. Let's go back to this is 47 seconds. Don't forget, gun crew. And you just fire and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and I'll start painting my target and see if it hits. Yeah, let's count and start painting. Bomb. So that's how you use the laser guided ammunition. Have a nice day.